Hello guys, I'm myself Ashutosh. Today I'm going to describe how to build your first front-end application and deploy it on Vercel in just 10 minutes, I guess. 10 minutes will be enough. So the strategy is I am using React with Vite with Tailwind CSS, and after that I will use GitHub to deploy put my code on the internet, and then Vercel for deployment. Let's just get through some documentation. Vite. Why I am preferring Vite over normal Create React app? Because it is faster than normal React. This is my new folder. Let's just open the terminal. You can check out the command from documentations as well. Right now I'm just using npm create vite at the rate latest dot. Yes, I'm going to use React, JavaScript. SW is some additional packages for compilation which increase the speed. Right now I'm using plain JavaScript. So yeah, the package is created. Now I'm just going to install npm install, and while it is installing, let me show you how I use Vercel. Here I have deployed these 6 websites, and some are my personal projects, and 1 to 2 are in the starting time. And this is Tailwind CSS. If you are not new to Tailwind CSS, it is a very popular CSS library that provides you facility to write CSS uh, along with the components. So it is actually very good. Now the library is on the install. Let npm run dev. So yeah, we successfully created our website. You can see the front end is running on localhost 5173. Now let's just add Tailwind CSS to it. In documentation, you can get installation. The first two already done. Let's install the Tailwind Vite. In the recent versions, Tailwind has updated itself. That and these updates are very good. The installation has become very easy now. Just copy paste, and in the configure file of Vite, we'll just add these two. Import Tailwind CSS from vite.config.js and plugin add Tailwind CSS as well. Okay, so we have added Tailwind as well. One more thing, if you install Tailwind, you have to restart the server because of the issue of Tailwind not being properly imported. Tailwind also suggests doing that step, adding these import Tailwind in index.css file. I'm relating all the CSS. In main app.jsx, I will also remove the app. I am removing these states that are of no use for right now. All these three. Clean the app.jsx for you. Let's just import React. Okay. Tailwind CSS must have been installed. Let's run it. npm run dev. Let's reload the server. Hello world in the center. Okay, in index CSS app.css is already there. Let's remove app.csx. It's cleaned as well. Now let's check the page. Yes, hello world is there. In this app.jsx, let's try if Tailwind is working. For Tailwind, you have to use class name instead of class, and one simple command text to Excel. It will change the size. Yes, Tailwind CSS is working fine. Now I am going to deploy this. You can use this source control. Uh, it is an extension in VS Code, or either use terminal to create a new repository. First, I always prefer creating a new repository on GitHub instead of Git, because it provides me information as well as the linking is easier here. Let's create a new repository. Front end test. Okay, it's public for right now. I've created the repository. Now here, after creating, you will get these code, these commands, and which you can copy paste directly in the terminal and easily connect your local repo, Git repo to GitHub repo. As simple as that. Let's add. Okay, Git ignore is working properly. Now we have to commit. First commit is done manually. Okay, everything is done. Let's commit the changes. Okay, first commit is already done. Add codes, code files, source code. Sync changes will merge. If you have query about these extension and tools, I'll make another video, separate video describing everything. Right now I have uploaded the code. Let's refresh it. Yes, the complete code is here. React Vite provides you a MD file as well. Now in Vercel, I'm going to deploy the project, add new project, It's easy as just import the file. It scans the package on itself. If you have environment variables that are used in front end, like the API URL or any key, then you can add it here. Right now it is a simple project, and I am just clicking the deploy option. It will provide me a public URL that can be used to access the website from anywhere using HTTPS, that is internet. And our work is almost done, and I think time, let's see how much time has passed. Okay, I'm not getting details of time. Okay, the website is deployed. This is the public URL. In part 2 I will show you how to add code and use AI to build your first application in just 10 to 20 minutes. Whatever design you have, even if you do not have design, you have functionality, I will show you how to create that. Till then, goodbye.